How to fix if you cannot download apps from Play Store in your device. Now, if this problem is happening to you, there might be so many vast reasons for this problem to occur. First of all, you need to figure out what is causing this problem to you. There might be so many reasons, and one of the very common one is the internet issue. You need to check out if your internet is working properly or not. In order to do that, you can use any of the other applications. If that is working but your Play Store is not, then it is not your internet issue. If both of the apps are not working, in that case your internet might be the problem. You need to contact your ISP and tell them to fix the issue. If internet is not the issue, it might be your phone's storage. In that case, check out your phone's storage and see if it's full, and if it is full, then you need to clear up some space and then you can download the application from Play Store. If both of these options are not working, there might be problem with your app cache or saved data. In that case, you can clear the cache by going into the Play Store app setting, and you can very easily be able to download apps from Play Store. If none of this fixes your issue, there might be some internal server error in Google, and because of that, Play Store might not be working. In this case, only thing that you can do is to wait for them to fix the Play Store app. So these might solve your issue. You should try all of these very easy options and fix your issue. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe